guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are diving into a hot topic in the gardening world right now, GMO seeds. Are they something that you need to worry about? Well, I'll be breaking it all down for you. Plus, we'll be exploring the different types of seeds out there, like heirloom, hybrid, and open-pollinated, so that you can make the best choices for your gardens at home. And I'm even going to be saving some seeds from some of my favorite plants here in the garden. So first off, let's tackle the big question. Should you be concerned about planting GMO seeds in your home garden? Well, the short answer is probably not, because most GMO seeds are developed for commercial farming and they aren't even available for home gardeners. And instead, the seeds that you find online or at your local gardening center are non-GMO unless explicitly stated otherwise. So now you know you can breathe easy, and if you're buying seeds for your backyard, you're most likely already avoiding GMOs. Let's talk about the different types of seeds that you can plant in your garden and why they matter. So there's three main types of seeds. We've got heirloom, open-pollinated, and hybrid. Each have their own pros and cons depending on what you're looking for in your garden. So heirloom seeds, these are like the antiques of the seed world. They're passed down for generations with amazing flavors and unique traits. And they're perfect for seed saving, but they can sometimes be less disease resistant than some of our modern varieties. So open-pollinated plants like zinnias make seed saving so rewarding because you know exactly what you're getting. More of those vibrant blooms that you love. So hybrids are created by crossing two distinct parent plants, combining their best traits to produce benefits like increased disease resistance or higher yields. However, keep in mind that seeds saved from hybrids often won't produce plants identical to the parent, and that can lead to some unpredictable results. So now that you know the different types of seeds, let's talk about how to choose the right ones for your garden. So think about your climate, growing goals, and even your budget. So organic seeds are always non-GMO, but not all non-GMO seeds are organic, so read those labels carefully. Always buy from trusted sources and consider your growing season. Start small and experiment. By saving seeds, it's not just cost effective, it's also a great way to preserve your varieties that you love. Heirloom and open-pollinated seeds are best for saving, while hybrids can be unpredictable. And one of my favorite plants for seed saving is garlic chives. So these beautiful flowers aren't just a treat for pollinators, they're also seed-making machines. So I'm going to show you how I harvest the seeds from my garlic chives. So first you want to wait until the flowers are completely dry and then start to turn brown, and that's when the seeds are ready. You're going to gently rub the flower heads between your fingers and the tiny little black seeds will fall right out. Look at that. And once you've collected the seeds, let them dry for a few more days to ensure that they store well, and then pop them into an envelope or a jar and label them, and you're good to go. These seeds will be perfect for starting a new batch of garlic chives next season. Open-pollinated seeds are naturally pollinated by wind, insects, or animals, which means that the plants grow true to type even if they don't cross-pollinate with others. And a great example of an open-pollinated plant is the zinnia. And lucky for us, saving seeds from zinnias is super easy. And so now I'm going to show you how I do it. So when you're saving seeds from zinnias, you want to wait until the flowers are fully dried on the plant and look for heads that are brown and brittle like this one here. Once you have the dried head, peel back the petals, and inside you're going to find the seeds. And these little arrow-shaped pieces are the zinnia seeds. And once you've collected them, let them air dry for a few more days to ensure that they store well. And then label them and keep them in a cool, dry place. So this is my trusty seed storage container, and it is compact, organized, and makes finding the seeds so much easier. I found this system to be a total game changer for me, and especially as my seed collection grows. And if you're looking for a great seed storage container solution, I've included a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourselves. So just remember, for best results, store your seeds in a cool, dry place and keep them away from direct sunlight. And with a little organization, your seeds will be ready when it's time to plant. So whether you're choosing your seeds or saving seeds from your favorite plants, gardening is all about experimenting and learning. And by understanding the types of seeds and these simple techniques, you're setting yourself up for success. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!